Hello everyone, so it's time for us to learn. I sent a gold analysis today and I told you guys that I'm anticipating a bullish candle to close and for the next candle to break the high of that bullish candle, or for the next candle to break the low of that bullish candle. Then I can decide to take a position, anticipating the trade to keep going up or anticipating the trade to keep coming down. So let me show you guys the analysis. Hello everyone, so today is Wednesday, so let's try and identify the market structure together so that we'll be able to see what you are anticipating the market to give to us. So let's see how the market is looking at the moment. So you're looking at gold. We have a support zone over here. We have a support zone over here, and if this candle should close with a bullish candle, it will also form a support zone, and we have a resistance zone over here. So when you come to the market and you meet the market structure like this, the best thing I'm going to advise you guys for you to do is just for you to wait, because we don't know if this candle will close with a bullish candle for the next candle to break the low of this candle. If this candle should close with a bullish candle for it to continue to come down, so the best thing is just for us to wait, since we have a support zone, and a support zone. So if this candle should break the low of this candle, if this candle should close with a bullish candle, so there's a high probability that the candle will continue to come down to fill this week over here. So the best thing is just for us to wait for this candle to close. Then if this candle should close with a bullish candle, there's a high probability that the next candle, if this candle should close with a bullish candle, for it to continue to go up to this resistance zone over here. So the best thing is just for us to wait and see how this candle will close. So let's just wait. So according to the analysis that I sent today, I told you guys that we are anticipating a bullish candle to close, and then the moment the next candle should break the high of that bullish candle, so I'm going to take a buy, anticipating the trade to keep going up. Or the moment the next candle should break the low of that bullish candle, I'm going to take a sell, anticipating the trade to keep going down. So I took a buy position, anticipating the trade to keep going up. So at this moment, I'm still anticipating the trade to keep going up to get to my TP. So this is the gold market structure that I sent the analysis today. So this candle closed with a rejection bullish candle. So we have a support zone over here. We have a support zone. And I told you guys that if this candle closed with a bullish candle, that means we also have a support zone over here. That I was anticipating this candle to close with a bullish candle for the next candle to break the high of that bullish candle. Then I can decide to take a position, anticipating the trade to keep going up to this resistance zone over here. And I also told you guys that if the next candle should break the low of that bullish candle, I'm going to take a sell position, anticipating the trade to keep coming down to fill this rejection bullish candle, because there was volume in the market. So since there was volume in the market, so I knew very well that there is a high probability that the candle will continue to go up or the candle will continue to come down if the candle should break the low or the high of this bullish candle that closed. So that means I took a position the moment this candle should break the high of this bullish candle, anticipating the trade to keep going up to this resistance zone over here. So this is how I was able to take a buy position in the analysis that I sent today.